Z8Games, Games. Z8Games is the online gaming portal of CrossFire, an online first-person shooter. Z8Games previously hosted the MMORPG Metin 2, 3D fighting game Lost Saga, and the sports game Fishing Hero. Z8Games is owned by Smilegate West, a Canadian online media publisher. Z8Games offers multiple versions of CrossFire targeting different regions like North America, South America, Brazil, and Europe. CrossFire is an online first-person shooter which features two international mercenary forces locked together in an epic global conflict. Players assume the role of either a blacklist terrorist or global risk anti-terrorist, joining an online team that must work together to complete objective-based scenarios. There are 10 online modes: Team Deathmatch, Escape Mode, Elimination Mode, Search and Destroy, Ghost Mode, Free-for-All, Mutation Mode, Hero Mode X, and Zombie Mode. Based on their performance in-game, players will receive experience points and be promoted through various military ranks based on the United States Army's ranking system. Players will also have the ability to customize their character's equipment and appearance through CrossFire's in-game item shop. CrossFire is free to download and playable online. CrossFire was developed by the South Korean game developer Smilegate in 2007 using Liftechi's Jupiter EX engine. CrossFire is licensed to the multimedia publisher NeoWiz and is distributed further to regional publishers. Lost Saga is a free-to-play 3D fighting game. On December 8, 2013, We Made USA shut down Lost Saga's service for Canadian and American users. On December 18, 2013, Z8Games began hosting Lost Saga for Canadian and American users. On November 25, 2014, Lost Saga was also released on Steam for Canadian and American users. Lost Saga features characters from science fiction, culture, and history, and offers players the ability to switch characters on the fly to improve gameplay, combinations, and the overall combat experience. Lost Saga was shut down by Z8Games on September 19, 2019. The service still remains active in other markets.